woman that cares and know your importance will always do these four things. A woman that doesn't care, that doesn't have the fear of losing you, doesn't care about these four things. They will keep doing it. It doesn't concern them. Whether you're happy with it, angry with it, it is none of their business. So after watching this video, ask yourself, is my woman really interested in me? Does she prioritize me? Does she like me? Is she scared of losing me? Or she just want to lose me? She doesn't really care. So you answer this question and don't forget to share and give this video a thumbs up. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. God bless you. This is Pearl Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Number one thing is a woman who doesn't care of losing you hardly apologize. Do you know that most times you say, oh, she doesn't apologize, she doesn't take responsibility. She can never take responsibility because she doesn't care. She doesn't love you. You are not in her priority list. She doesn't prioritize you. When a woman doesn't prioritize you, she doesn't care. Things she does that get you angry, get you offended. She doesn't want to fix things. So because she doesn't want to fix it, she doesn't want you. She doesn't care whether you stay or you leave. That is why she will find it difficult apologizing to you. She will never own up. She will always flip the blame. You will always be blamed. Even when you tell her, oh, you cannot apologize, most times you ask her this, she doesn't care. She will tell you, I can't apologize to you because I didn't do anything to you. Yes, she knows that those things hurt you. She's not scared of losing you. So even if you decide you want to leave, she's never going to beg you. Because most times you guys want to stay with them, you want to beg them, you want to prove to them you're a good person. It doesn't really change anything. She's not seeing you as that man she wants to do that with. So she's never going to do it. So the moment you realize that a woman finds it difficult apologizing to you when she is wrong, guy, take you to your heels. Do not make the mistake of marrying her, because even if you marry her, she's never going to change. Then the second thing a woman will never do if she's not scared of losing you is trying to fix your problems when you guys have issue. You see those times you guys have issue, you have misunderstanding, which is inevitable in every marriage or in every relationship. She can keep malice for days, weeks, even months, as the case may be. She can go throughout the day because of that issue. Any woman you see that really needs you, that prioritizes you, that wants to really work with you in that relationship, she is never ready. Anytime you call her, oh babe, I don't like this thing that happened, you guys will easily resolve it. But you see a woman that is not scared of losing you, she doesn't want to resolve issues. This is how you know that this woman doesn't prioritize your peace of mind, your happiness, and doesn't really care about you. This is how they show you they don't care. So you yourself, that is why if you're the only one working hard for a relationship, in your relationship, to make the relationship perfect, when there is a problem, you'll be the one running helter-skelter. The woman doesn't care. Guy, she leaving you is on 100. Yes, because if they don't fear of losing you, it means when they get someone that is better than you, maybe they're still staying with you because they've not gotten someone that will replace you. Immediately they get someone that will replace you, they easily forget the things you do. They start nagging, they start shouting, they will always count your wrongdoing. They will never see your right, the things you do right. They stop seeing it. They only focus on the wrong one, the things you're doing wrong, the things you're not perfect at, the things you're not good at, those things you said, maybe is nothing, but now it means something. She now feel they are friend. She just wanted to be apologizing for no reason. So when she's not scared of losing you, you will notice she doesn't want to fix the relationship. When there is conflict, she doesn't want to work it out with you. She doesn't want to talk it out. She rather keep malice. So when a woman is keeping malice for days, for weeks, for months, it means she doesn't prioritize you and she's not really scared of losing you. Whether you go, you stay, is none of her business. Then the third thing a woman doesn't do, if she doesn't have the fear of losing you in a relationship, is she doesn't appreciate you. Women only appreciate things they like, things they love, things they cherish. If they don't cherish it, they feel it is their right. Now, a woman have this self mentality that it is my responsibility, it's your responsibility to take care of her. They have entitlement mentality. They have this entitlement in them. That is why when you're dealing with a woman, you see, it is difficult for you to really talk to her, for you to make her see reasons why maybe you can't provide her with something. Most times they don't work for this, but they are entitled. They feel it is their right, but they can't do it for you. So when you're dealing with a woman who finds it difficult, always appreciating the things you do for her, it means she is not seeing you as a man that she was dear and special. If you're not dear and special, we don't appreciate the things you do. So we can easily lose you because we can easily appreciate other men that does those things for us because we like them, we appreciate them. But for you, does we don't. So this is why you keep asking us, why won't you say thank you to me? Those things I'm doing. Do not remind a woman the good you're doing to her. The only thing you notice is if she doesn't appreciate them, learn to withdraw, learn to take them back. If she feels, for some women, they will feel, oh, this thing this guy is doing, oh, he's nice, he's being kind, okay, let me reciprocate. This is the only time you know she merited it and you should do it. And don't do it in excess. Only do it when you know she deserves it. If you feel she doesn't deserve it, hold it back. Because women is, if they don't have the fear of losing you, the first thing they do is they want to see if you'll be kind to them, even when they don't deserve it. So if you're kind to them, even when they don't deserve it, those women are always going to take advantage of you. They feel no matter the treatment they give, this is a sign of desperation. This is how a woman see you, that you're too desperate to be with her, that even though she doesn't want this thing, she doesn't merit it, she doesn't deserve it, you will keep giving it to her. So this is the reason why when a woman starts treating you in some certain ways, you're being good, you're being kind, you want to prove yourself, she doesn't stop. She will keep doing it because she feel, oh, this guy, even with everything I'm doing, I have the upper hand, so I can easily leave him. They start making you feel insecure. They start hiding their phone, talking to other men because they know you will still be there, hoping she's going to change, doing everything possible to get her to like you, to love you, yet she's never going to love you or like you. Then the fourth thing is she will always refuse to make sacrifices for you. If she's not scared of losing you, she doesn't make sacrifice. She doesn't give you. A woman only give a man that she likes, that she love, because she wants you to know that I can do the things you do for me. Most times you ask them, oh, please, I need this. She's quick to do it for you because she really needs you in her life. If we don't need you, we don't make sacrifices. So if you find out that you're always asking your woman, hey, you can't do this for me, she's finding it difficult doing something for you. She doesn't care whether you leave or go. She's not scared of losing you. You are not her priority. Because if she's scared of losing you, you're her priority. But if she's not scared of losing you, you're not her priority. So because you're not her priority, she's never going to treat you right. She doesn't feel what you're feeling. She doesn't support you. She will never support you. She will never understand you. Even the struggles of life, when you start explaining, oh, things are hard, it doesn't concern her. She will want to bring up things she wants, even in your complaint. It is none of her business. So when you find out you are dealing with a woman who is not scared of losing you, guy, start giving more to yourself than you give to her. So that the day she realizes you're good, because if you're too good to her, even when she's not good to you, it is also a problem. So the day she realizes her wrongdoing and she decides to treat you right and she decides to make you her priority, fine and good, she will not start enjoying you. But if she decides, oh, there's nothing that will even make me treat him right, then you hold your own. You guys will relate well, but then that you being too good, too kind, you hold it. Because that you're too good or too kind to her doesn't make her to be good or kind to you. She has already seen you as a man she's not scared of losing. So she's never going to prioritize you or even prioritize your well-being. So have this at the back of your mind. when you're doing too much. So relax and ask yourself, is she also doing for me? If she's not doing for you, so why are you doing too much? Because you can't change her or change her mind or make her do the things you really do for her because you're being good or kind to her. It doesn't work that way. This is spouse solution. The goal is for you to always stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Is your woman scared of losing you? After watching this video, kindly answer the question. You will know if you're being too good for no reason or you're being good for a right cause or for a good reason. So if you're being good for a wrong reason, withdraw. Hold your good. Do it for yourself. Don't forget to like and share this video massively. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that whenever I post, give this video a thumbs up so that they can add so that YouTube can recommend it to other YouTubers, other viewers, so that this video can go viral, so other men can see it. So don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.